Finally, let's quickly talk about Ukhamba. Again, an SPV which owns 10.1% of the Imperial Group. Structure that will endure, I'm told, through till 2025. That's another key differentiating factor, is the duration of some of these things. And of course, the longer the duration, you might argue, well, the easier to finance the flows during the period. But on the other hand, it's quite nice not to have an extensively long lockup period, so you can get the sense you can convert to the ordinaries at a shorter date. This one is the smallest of the group we've talked about. Market capitalization in aggregate there of 398 million rand. Imperial battling because the rand weakness has been tough for their importation of Korean vehicles. Interest rates a bit high.
Interest rates, the economy not so great anymore, and it's one of the first deals that were done in BEE. You know, it was a good structure when it was done initially, and I mean, you just have to.
There's the 3-year chart.
Exactly. I mean, it's been traded. It's traded higher than where it's trading now before, and the challenging economic environment we have says that, you know, you'd rather have your money elsewhere, Paul. Interest rate environment, slower GDP growth, and as you mentioned, you know, even around the world, we're struggling with that to push things high. People are deciding to be more prudent with their expenses when they're buying cars, and they'll much rather buy second-hand cars someplace, you know, than...
The part of Imperial's business that I do like is that sort of European logistics and freight business. That's okay. And the CEO, Mark Lamberti's been doing a bit of house cleaning. They sold the Regent insurance business to Hollard and so on. But you need a bit more progress of the underlying share before we get excited.
I believe, Paul, there's more. You know, it's all about having choices.
Yeah,
you know, you'd rather have your money elsewhere. Otherwise, all the way to 2025 stuck in there. We're not sure. Mr. Lamberti is highly respected. You know, the good work he did at Massmart, and I believe now he is challenged, unfortunately, by an environment that he doesn't control. So those are some of the decisions you need to be making as you allocate your funds into these investments.